Hi, today we're going to make another recipe in the patisserie basics. We're going to be making crème patissiere, also known as custard, and it's definitely one of the most important base ingredients or base recipes for a nice range of patisserie work. So let's do this. As usual, you'll find the full recipe in the description below. We're going to start by bringing our milk to the boil. And to our milk, I'm going to add half my sugar. Just give this a quick stir. And whilst this comes to the boil, I've got my egg yolks. And I'm going to add my sugar to the egg yolks. And it is incredibly important as soon as you put the sugar inside that you start whisking, otherwise the sugar will cure the egg yolks and will have lumps. And we're just going to whisk this a little bit until all the sugar is dissolved in the egg yolk. And to this egg yolk mixture I'm also going to add my cornstarch. And we're just going to whisk this or beat it until we got like a creamy mixture and everything's nicely dissolved. To this I'm also going to add my vanilla extract. This is real vanilla extract with seeds. Obviously if you want to use the pods, you can use the pods. Give this another good mix. Okay, my milk is boiling. So now I'm going to put a little bit into my egg yolk mixture whilst I'm stirring. I don't want to put it all in one go. I don't want to shock the egg yolks with the boiling milk. Okay, so and now we can add the rest. Gradually while stirring. That's it. All the milk is in. And now this mixture goes back into my saucepan. And we're going to bring it back to the boil over a medium heat. And as soon as it boils and my crème patissiere has thickened, we'll stop. My crème patissiere starts thickening. And now it's getting really thick. Now we're just going to wait for it until it, how can I say, bubbles, or yeah, until it boils. And that's it. You want to get it to that boiling point because then you cook out the starch flavor. And that'll do. My crème patisserie or custard is ready. I'm going to put my crème patisserie in this glass dish and let it cool down. When crème patissiere cools down, it has a bad habit of forming a skin on top. There's a few tricks we can do. Sometimes people cover it with cling film. I don't like that because the steam can't get out. And the same with icing sugar, it melts and you get a watery crème patissiere. My favorite trick to do is just dab it with a little bit of butter. And then the little tiny layer of fat on top stops the skin from forming. Just like that. Not too much. And that's it. Our crème patisserie has a very thin layer of butter on top, which is delicious when we mix it in with the crème patissiere anyway. And it prevents skin from forming. And there you have it, crème patissiere or custard.